Hello friends! In today's video, we're exploring the latest home and bedroom gadgets that can elevate your living space in 2024. From smart tech to cozy essentials, these must-have gadgets will transform your home. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting updates. So friends, let's start the video.
Number 5. Towel hooks. The 6-pack stainless steel heavy-duty adhesive towel. Hooks by Dokrock offers a practical solution for bathroom organization while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your space. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed finish, these hooks exude a modern and stylish look that seamlessly blends with various decor styles. The matte black color provides a contemporary touch and is resistant to fingerprints and smudges, ensuring that the hooks maintain their sleek appearance even with regular use. The heavy-duty adhesive backing is a standout feature, allowing for easy installation without the need for drilling or damaging your walls. This not only saves time but also offers versatility for renters or individuals looking to maintain a clean look without permanent fixtures. In terms of functionality, these hooks are robust and can securely hold multiple towels or other items, making them ideal for a busy bathroom environment.
Number 4. Pillows. Insert. Utopia bedding throw. Pillow inserts are plush, comfortable, and perfect for adding style to your home. Each set includes high-quality pillow inserts that maintain their shape, providing great support for your couch, bed, or chairs. The soft, durable fabric is designed to withstand daily use while staying fluffy and cozy. These inserts come in a variety of sizes to fit any decorative pillow covers, making them versatile for any room. Hypoallergenic and easy to maintain, they're ideal for people with sensitivities. Simply fluff them up after unpacking and they're ready to use. Upgrade your home decor with these luxurious pillow inserts.
On number 3, Mini Freezer. The Bangson upright freezer with a compact capacity of 1.1 cubic feet is an ideal solution for those seeking additional storage without compromising space. Its dimensions of 18.5 inches in depth, 18 inches in width, and 19.1 inches in height make it suitable for small apartments, dorm rooms, or as an extra unit in a larger home. The sleek black finish paired with stainless steel door material adds a modern touch that can seamlessly blend with various kitchen styles. Its design does not only prioritize aesthetics, functionality is at the forefront. The freezer provides ample storage with a thoughtful layout that accommodates a range of food items, from frozen meals to ice cream. The adjustable shelves ensure that you can customize the internal space according to your needs, ensuring convenience for various types of food storage. In terms of performance, the Bangson upright freezer operates efficiently, maintaining consistent temperatures while minimizing.
Number 2. Shower Liner Clear. The Barossa Design Plastic Shower Liner in Clear is a durable and waterproof addition to any bathroom. Made from high-quality PVC-free plastic, it helps keep water inside the shower while maintaining a clean, sleek look. The clear design allows for natural light to flow through, making your shower space feel larger. It features rust-proof grommets for easy hanging and reinforced edges for long-lasting use. This shower liner is also easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for any bathroom setup.
Number 1. Nugget Ice Makers. The Zafro Nugget Ice Maker is an exceptional addition to any kitchen or entertaining space, providing a seamless way to create the beloved nugget ice that so many users crave. With compact dimensions of 12.99 inches in depth, 11.81 inches in width, and 9.06 inches in height, this device is designed to fit comfortably on countertops without taking up excessive space. One of the standout features of this ice maker is its impressive capacity, able to produce up to 35.5 pounds of nugget ice per day. This makes it an ideal choice for those who entertain frequently or simply enjoy having a plentiful supply of soft, chewable ice at hand. The 115 volts of power ensures efficient operation while keeping energy consumption manageable. Additionally, the nugget ice produced is not just a casual affair. It complements chilled beverages and enhances all kinds of drinks, making every sip more enjoyable. The texture of nugget ice often preferred in bars and restaurants.